Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Logic Joy, where we solve simple looking problems that hide surprising answers, and I will teach you how to think carefully and solve related problems very easily. Our today's trick says 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 and again divided by 6. This problem looks easy. That's exactly why so many people get it wrong. So when fixing this, we have to be careful. And okay, let's see if you can spot the trick. 6 divided by 6 is 1, right? And 6 divided by 6 is 1. This, and again, since these two were connected by a division, we have to divide both of them. This division, this 1 divided by 1 gives 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. Okay, is this the correct answer? No. Could you think why is it? Okay, this happened because we didn't go from left to right strictly on this operation, on this problem, since we divided 6 and we divided this part. We have done this operation very correctly, but when we come to this, we jumped this division operation and we have done this part of the operation, but we have to go from left to right strictly. So when solving this equation, we will get the following. Okay, this will be the correct solution. 6 divided by 6 give us what? 1. 1 divided by 6 and then divided by 6. So we have to go first this. 1 divided by 6 will be what? 1 over 6. 1 over 6 divided by 6. So let's divide this. This will be 1 over 6 times what? 1 over 6 by the reciprocal rule. If you want the reciprocal rule, I will upload another video in my next topic, or in my next video. I will upload it. Don't worry. Okay. 1 over 6 times 1 over 6 gives us 1 over 36. So the correct answer will be 1 over 36, not anything else. One over 36. And I will post a video about reciprocal rule. If you want, please engage on my comments, and I will know where to focus. So please follow and please subscribe this YouTube, like my videos, and engage in the comments. I need your interaction. Thank you.